Today's recipe using ingredients from Aldi is a pear and berry crumble with clotted cream. This is gluten-free, dairy-free and there's no refined sugar. So first we're going to wash and slice 6 small pears and scatter those in the bottom of an oven-proof dish. I'm going to add a packet of frozen forest fruits and spread those evenly over the pears. Blitz 300 grams of blanched almonds with a teaspoon of cinnamon until they're finely ground. Add 4 tablespoons of coconut oil, a drop of maple syrup and a twist of salt. And then we've got to get our hands right in there and run the mixture through our fingers until it becomes like a breadcrumb texture. Sprinkle that over the fruit and add a few nuts and seeds and pop that in the oven at 180 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. Meanwhile, add the coconut cream from a tin of milk to your bullet along with 150 grams of soaked cashew nuts, a drop of maple syrup and a pinch of cinnamon. Blitz that until it forms a cream, pop the bowl in the fridge and remove the crumble from the oven. Serve hot on a plate and add a dollop of clotted cashew cream. This recipe and many more at mygoodnessrecipes.com.